Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2017 Chrysler 200 Limited Platinum, stock number B9204X. 7,000 miles on this 200. Clean auto check history report. This was one of our courtesy vehicles, vivid blue in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper, and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Also includes an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Very safe vehicle as well, 5-star front and side government crash rating. It's in the mid-size car class, seats 5, leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This limited platinum has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Push button start. Large, easy to read ice blue gauges with driver information system, as well as customizable dash, all controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Very large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Heated front seats, great for those cold winter days. Heating and air conditioning. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. 9-speed automatic transmission with rotary dial shifter. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those mobile media devices. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this 200 has a 2.4-liter, 4-cylinder, 184 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, EPA average of 23 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 36 on the highway, and approximately 65% tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCB9204X to 6624.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.